More natural ways to help lower your blood sugar. So let's talk about cabbage for a second. I know sauerkraut has a bad rap. Sauerkraut juice mixed with just a little bit of lemon juice actually helps people control their diabetes and stabilize their blood sugars. The sauerkraut juice actually stimulates your digestion and your pancreas. Another amazing natural remedy we have right at our fingertips in nature to actually stabilize our blood sugar. Take advantage of it. Here is a recipe on how to make this. So what you will need for equipment, you're going to need a large glass jar or a crock. I prefer actually using a fermented crock, but a glass jar can actually work. A fermentation weight or a plate that fits in the container, a large bowl or tub for mixing, a plate or tray, and then ingredients, you're going to need 1 gallon, 4 liters of sauerkraut, 1 large head of cabbage, shredded very finely, a few large leaves from the outside of the cabbage, 3 tablespoons pickling salt, and 1 tablespoon caraway seeds, which is optional. You're going to shred the cabbage finely and add 2 tablespoons of salt. Let the cabbage stand for about 10 minutes to draw out the juices, and then you're going to want to knead the cabbage for 10 minutes or more to bruise it and release more juices.